Okay guys, so let's say you wanted to put this beautiful looking beach ball on top of this beautiful looking swimming pool, and you search for a beach ball PNG image so you can find one without the white background obviously, but look, if you look closely, it might be badly cut out. You see the white edges? It's so bad. In today's gory graphics 1-minute tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to easily get rid of it in like less than 10 seconds. So let's get started. Roll the intro. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is click on this layer with the ball, obviously, so we can work with this layer, and then go to layer, scroll down to matting, and then defringe, okay? And then you just leave the width at 1 pixel and then press OK. And then look at this, guys. The white edges that were once there before are gone. Look, if you press Command Z, you can see how it was before and how it is now. You can play around with this, haha, it's so funny. That was really easy. We just got rid of that white ragged edge and now it looks much cleaner and it looks like it would actually fit inside this pool. Anyways, if you enjoyed this gory graphics 1-minute tutorial, make sure to subscribe for more of this quality content. I upload speed arts tutorials, whatever you guys want. Sorry for not uploading recently. I was busy trying to get better at Illustrator, but yeah, bye.